Okay, so, um, welcome back to, this is part two of me trying to force a sneeze attack using, turmeric and, a Q-tip and a tissue. So I was trying to make part two earlier, but unfortunately, it maxed out and ended on its own. So, uh, so just a little update on what I've been doing. Um, I've already got turmeric up my nose. Um, so I'm going to, I'm using the same tissue, not tissue, Q-tip I used before, except I am putting the turmeric on the Q-tip and I am sniffing it. Like I am like snorting it up my nose. I am not sticking the whole Q-tip up there because I have a feeling that I overdid it last time. So all it did was burn. So I'm just gonna keep putting turmeric on the end of this Q-tip and hope that something happens. And if not, then we'll use the tissue method again and hope that that works. So I'm gonna try my left nostril first. Ooh, my nose feels weird, kind of tickly. I think it's working. Oh God, yep. I definitely. It's a small tickle. Ooh, the side of my nose, just like small tickle. Ooh, I think this is gonna work. Okay. And we're just gonna keep doing this until I either trigger a full blown sneeze attack or until I get like maybe, I don't know, maybe a few sneezes out. So, I've never like done this like slowly before. For those of y'all who have been saying, oh, you should use zucchini powder, I'm trying to get one of my friends to get me some zucchini powder. And I'm a little actually nervous of how that my nose is going to react to that stuff because I've heard it is very powerful stuff. So I'm going to be very careful on how I use it. Uh, okay, I'm doing it a little closer to my nostril. Ooh, ooh. I don't feel a tickle. I just feel a burn now. Ooh, I think I sniffed too much. Ooh. Yeah, okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sniff the turmeric and then I'm going to try using. Where's my remote? I'm going to try. Sorry, I had to turn off the TV. I'm going to try using a tissue to coax out the sneeze if I feel one. So, now that the turmeric is up that nostril, I am going to slowly, I'm gonna roll this up really teeny tiny so I can get a really good tickle going and hopefully get a few sneezes or even maybe, I don't know, maybe if we're lucky, a full-blown sneeze attack. So, I just want, before I start, I just want to thank everybody for supporting my channel. And I know when I got on here, my first, ooh, I feel a tickle. Ooh, it's tickling. Ooh, sorry about that. I'm just gonna let it go, and if I sneeze, I sneeze. I want to, like, my first thing I said when I got on here is I hate making myself sneeze. I think it's embarrassing. That's how I responded to one of the comments left on one of my videos when I first started this channel. And another answer I put down is hoping this channel will boost my confidence and make it so I'm okay with sneezing, in public, and and I think it's honestly really helped with that. So thank you for encouraging me to thank you for boosting my confidence. I appreciate it. Okay, so I can definitely feel a tickle, slight tickle, very slight, in this nostril. So we're gonna take the tissue now the turmeric's up there, and we're gonna slowly tickle that nostril and see what happens. Okay, I think I got a spot right here. Oh god, yeah, it tickles. It tickles. I think the turmeric is like right in this area. Oh god, it tickles. Okay, gonna try moving it around a little bit. Oh god, okay, I think I just hit a sweet spot. Okay. Okay. Oh, it tickles. It tickles. Okay. It tickles really bad. Okay. I'm gonna. Okay, gonna go up a little bit farther. Okay. So I think if I just do this, it'll coax the sneeze out. I'm gonna try to brush the tissue up against the upper side of my nose and see if that makes me sneeze. Okay. Okay. It's not working so far. I'm gonna move up a little bit further and kind of wiggle it around a little bit. Okay, oh god, that tickles. Okay. I think I'm just gonna kind of, ooh, that tickles. Okay. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay, that got a lot of turmeric out of my nose, so maybe if I sniff a little bit. Okay, now that tissue's a little wet, I'm gonna keep going with this nostril, and I'm gonna dab the turmeric on there now that it's wet, and I'm going to stick it up my nose, but not too far up my nose. Okay, I'm gonna sniff it. Oh, God. Oh, my nose is definitely starting to get runny. Oh, okay. Okay. So, I don't know why, but the turmeric doesn't seem to be working. Okay, so I'm gonna try my right nostril, because my right nostril seems to be the most sensitive. The right nostril seems to be the nostril that I get a reaction out of the most. So I'm going to pack the turmeric onto this Q-tip. I'm gonna hold it up close so y'all can see it. It's not caked with turmeric, but it's enough. Okay. So maybe just tickling the hairs front. Oh God. Oh. Okay, just doing that just made my nose tickle so much. Okay, I think this is gonna work for the right nostril. I'm like not even like, I'm gonna slowly sniff it. Oh, yep, I definitely feel it. Oh God. Oh, I feel a tickle. It's not very strong, but I'm gonna keep going. Okay, I'm gonna move the turmeric closer to my, oh, that tickles. Okay. And I'm just gonna kind of tilt my head back and wait for the sneeze to come. I heard that tilting your head back can actually induce a sneeze if you feel one coming. And I think I definitely feel one coming. I can feel a slight tickle in my like right and left nostril. So I'm gonna just let it come. I'm gonna try again. Maybe just experimenting with it. Oh, it went into my throat. Oh, okay. So as you can see, almost all the turmeric is gone off of the Q-tip. So this is really weird. My nose just feels weird. It's not burning, but it just feels weird. Oh yeah, I'm definitely getting congested. I can feel myself getting congested. No, I was already congested, but now it's like, oh my head is even starting to hurt. What the fuck? Oh God. Okay. All right. So I think what I am going to do now is I'm just going to tease my nose hairs a bit. Sniff the last of the turmeric up my nose. I'm just gonna kind of play with my nostrils now. Try to see if I can get a sneeze to come out just by tickling the rims of my nose, of my nostrils. Nothing is happening. Oh my God, this is so annoying. Okay, let's try again. My nose is just like playing games today. I swear, because earlier I was in a live on Kick and I was sneezing like crazy. This nostril right here was just itching like crazy. And I was like just sneezing nonstop. So my nose is obviously playing games with me today. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. So I can definitely feel like a burning. I don't know if it's a sneeze burning or if it's just the turmeric burning the inside of my nose. I can't tell. But I am very, very congested right now. Oh. Oh. Okay. Now I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just going to lean back and wait for the sneeze to come. Oh, I can feel the turmeric is just burning and all this mucus is going into my throat. It's so uncomfortable. Actually, I'm going to try something. I'm going to try something with the other end of the Q-tip. Okay, I'm definitely congested from this stuff. Okay. So far the turmeric has had no effect on me. It's very strange because I've seen people on YouTube use turmeric before and they just break out into a full-blown sneeze attack. Like non-stop sneezing. So I'm surprised that my nose isn't sensitive to turmeric like that. But I am going to now try to use the another end of my tissue. I'm going to roll it up as tiny as it can go. And I'm going to attempt to trigger a sneeze that way. So, same method. We'll see what happens. Oh, God. Oh, my eyes are watering. I think this is gonna work. Oh, okay. Okay, got 2 sneezes. We're gonna try this nostril now. Oh, that happened quick. Oh, God. Oh, okay. I don't think I need to tease my nose anymore. I think that was enough for me. Oh, God. Okay. Oh. 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 Oh, I feel dizzy. Oh, God. Okay. Well, that definitely worked. I'm going to try it one more time. One more time. One more, and I'm going to roll this one up as tiny as possible. Tiny as possible. I want to try to get a very big sneeze. Okay, I'm just starting out small. Just like kind of teasing me. Oh my God, that tickled. Okay. So, I think if I just tickle this spot right here. Oh, I am like seriously congested. Oh my God, there's turmeric on the tissue. Oh my God. Just like, okay. So. Oh God, that tickles. Oh, that actually burned going in. Oh. Oh, that tickles. Oh, 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 okay. Okay. No, wait. Okay. So I'm gonna go as far as... Okay, that's end of it. Definitely. Oh my God, this video's been going for 22 minutes. Oh my God. Come on, Sue. You can do it. Come on. Come on. You can do this. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh. Oh my. Oh. Okay. That. Okay, I need to blow my nose. Oh God, my eardrums. Just both of them popped. Oh my God. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh, that really made my eardrums pop. Oh God. Okay. Ugh. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but my nose. Look at all that turmeric. Oh my God. Well, unfortunately, second attempt did work. I didn't go into a full-blown sneeze attack like I had hoped. But hopefully, once my friend, if he's able to get me the zucchini powder, maybe that'll work and I'll finally get me on camera going into a full-blown sneeze attack for you guys. So I'm gonna go because, yeah, I need a rest. So, bye all.